Every year, as the days grow shorter, a familiar question arises. What will this winter bring? Will it be mild and quiet? Or will we face heavy snow and biting cold? For over 2 centuries, many Americans have looked to one special book for answers. That book is the Farmer's Almanac. It first appeared in 1818. Since then, it has been a trusted guide for farmers, for gardeners, and for anyone curious about the weather. This small book holds a special place in our culture and has remarkable staying power. It offers gardening tips, sky guides, folklore, and time-honored traditions that connect us to a simpler time. For many, consulting the almanac marks the transition from fall to winter, a fun, enduring way to look ahead. So, what is in store for the winter of 2025 to 2026? If you're eyeing your snow boots already, you're not alone. This winter is shaping up to be one for the books. The Farmer's Almanac calls it a wild ride, not a catchphrase, a warning. Conditions will change rapidly and often. Expect dramatic temperature swings. One week could feel mild and spring-like. The next could bring a deep freeze. An active storm track points to widespread wintry weather. From the Midwest to the Northeast, and even parts of the South, few areas are spared. Think old-fashioned winter, deep drifts, persistent cold, and classic snow day memories. Rapid thaws and refreezes can create treacherous ice and travel hazards. Most of the country leans colder than average, especially up north, meaning a snow-filled, memorable season. If you live in the northern plains or New England, get ready. The almanac says to brace for the nation's coldest, snowiest winter. Sustained, deep cold is expected, not just brief snaps. The chill may linger. Snow could arrive as early as mid-November. A white landscape may set in before the official start of winter. New England could see frequent, significant snowstorms. Watch mid-January and early February for major cold snaps. Keep homes warm and protect pipes. Vigilance is key. Winter may linger into March or even April in the far north. Get your warmest gear and equipment ready now. There will be classic winter fun. Just plan for disruptions, higher heating bills, and careful travel. This season will test your winter readiness. The Pacific Northwest is also in for a serious dose of winter. Idaho and Washington should prepare for intense cold spells. Major Arctic blasts are highlighted for mid-January and mid-February. Not fleeting chills, recurring cold snaps. Winterize homes and protect plumbing from the frigid air. Heavy mountain snow will delight ski resorts and bolster spring water supplies. A healthy snowpack is crucial for rivers and reservoirs. Cities may see less snow, but the cold will be unmistakable. Insulate, seal drafts, and check heating systems for efficiency. Keep extra blankets and warm clothing on hand. Prep vehicles now. Battery, tires, antifreeze. The Northwest should prepare for a winter with a sharp, cold edge. Skiers will rejoice, but everyone should prioritize warmth and safety. For the Midwest, Great Lakes and Ohio Valley, winter is making a comeback. The Farmer's Almanac predicts a return to classic winter. Snow may arrive by mid to late November, setting an active tone. Above-average snowfall and regular storms are likely. Cold air over warmer lakes can fuel significant lake-effect snow. Downwind areas could see very heavy bursts. Mountainous mid-Atlantic zones should also expect decent snow. Mid-January stands out for major storms and potential city disruptions. Get ready for more shoveling, higher heating costs, and careful travel planning. Seal drafts, service furnaces, and keep winter kits in your car. Enjoy the beauty, but respect the challenges. Stock salt or sand and plan for closures or work-from-home days. A memorable season lies ahead across America's heartland. The story is different in the Southeast and Southwest, wetter than average. From the Carolinas to Florida, across to Arizona and Southern California, expect more rain than usual. Temps near average mean rain, not snow. Welcome moisture can ease drought, but flash flooding risks rise. Check drainage, clear gutters, inspect roofs, and keep rain gear handy. For Texas and the Southern Plains, storms and chilly rainy days are likely. The danger comes when colder air arrives. Rain can flip to ice with a degree or two. Ice storms are deceptive, treacherous, and can cause outages and accidents. Prepare kits for home and car, blankets, non-perishables, water, flashlights, batteries. Have a power outage plan and avoid driving during ice events if at all possible. Respect the power of ice and stay alert to rapid shifts. Your safety depends on preparation and quick reactions. How does the Farmer's Almanac make its bold long-range predictions? Its method is a closely guarded secret from the early 1800s. Unlike modern models and satellite data, The Almanac uses a mysterious formula. Created by founder David Young, it blends astronomy and mathematics. It considers sunspot cycles, lunar tides, and planetary positions. Only a few know the details, including the anonymous forecaster, Caleb Weatherby. The Almanac claims 80–85% accuracy, though many meteorologists are skeptical. Still, millions find its forecasts line up with their experiences. It fuels a friendly rivalry between tradition and technology. Mystery, tradition, and unique science are central to its charm. For over 2 centuries, it has offered a different lens on weather. Whether believer or skeptic, its identity is unmistakable. It reminds us there is more than one way to read the rhythm of nature. The Farmer's Almanac isn't alone. Its rival, the Old Farmer's Almanac, also forecasts winter. This year, they diverge, wild and snowy versus milder and drier. Predicting months ahead is challenging. That debate is part of the intrigue. Whatever happens, preparation is always wise. Build kits for home and car with essentials. Service heating systems and seal up drafts to save energy. Know how to prevent frozen pipes. Insulate and consider a trickle during deep freezes. Stock essentials. Add layers. And make sure everyone knows the plan. Ready yourself for a wild ride or a gentle season. With preparation, you can face whatever comes with confidence. Stay safe, stay warm, and enjoy the season. No matter what the forecast says. Here's to winter 2025-26.